Hi everyone, it's me. Oh, okay, we're starting. I was gonna say it was gonna be a hair tutorial, but my wife already started. Oh, lightsabers. Here we go. Yep. Curl. Burn that. Yeah, there you go. I do this with a hair dryer, but she has like a fancy wand. Nice. Brush that curl out later, girl. Yep. Yep. Look for those textures. I've tried this. This is really hard. I don't know how she does this in herself. I tried it on someone else. Didn't work out. And yep, she's using the lightsaber thing again. It's probably going to be featured in the next Star Wars movie. Yeah, she better brush those curls out because she looks like one of those mannequins. Oh, yep, just getting more hair strands. I think it's at least 120 hairs deep for her to do this. She's really good. Oh, there you go. She's brushing it out. Yeah, I told you that. Nah, she told me that. Now I judge everyone else. Yeah, keep curling those out. There you go. Yep. There you go. And some, oh God, it's so fast. I can't read it. Yeah, spray that. I'm gonna guess it's hairspray because she's using it on her hair. Yep. Spray up. Yep. And now this is Batiste. She always makes me buy this when it's on sale at Priceline. Everyone check it out. Usually half price. Follow ozbargain.com.au for more information about this. Yeah, brush it out for some texture and some heaviness. I am ESL. I'm losing words right now. And so, yep, there you go. Yeah, lift that. Yep, yep. Can you see the, whoa, look at her eyes. There's circles there. Nice.